Let me show you how I turn a simple text prompt from ChatGPT into stunning AI art for my social media. First, I open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a creative, detailed text-to-art prompt. For example, a black woman in her 40s hitting publish on a product page, arms raised in celebration, colorful post-it notes with idea to done in the background. Once I've got my prompt, I copy and paste it into a Google Sheet. This is my central hub where I organize all my prompts by category, vibe, and platform. Next stop, Midjourney or Ideogram. I paste the prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. In just a minute or two, I've got a gorgeous on-brand image ready for Canva or social media. This method saves me hours of design time and makes my content pop every single time. Snag my free AI starter kit, the link's in the bio. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and share. I will be showing more AI shortcuts. Have a fantabulous day. This is Stacy Marvelous with Creative Flair LLC and Flair Dynamiq.